Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm going to show you how I make my homemade spice mix, and I'll be using my mortar and pestle to do the job. I have shrimps here, and I have grains of celery which we call chimba. There is cayenne pepper, nutmeg, bay leaf, cloves, calabash nutmeg. This is how it looks, and I removed it from the shell. I have star anise here, coriander, cumin. These are all important spices. Fennel seeds, rosemary. I have aniseed in kitty, and I also have my thyme. This is black peppercorn. I'll add everything and begin to pound it till it becomes semi-smooth in texture. This requires some energy for you to do it. So I'm just showing you all how to make it without a grinder. But if you have a grinder, you can use your blender to make it. Now I'll sieve it. This is my sieve. I'll sieve it to get the powdered form. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, and please hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, I thank you for always visiting this channel. One thing about spices is that there is no one way format in making spice mix. We have various spices in various parts of the world. So whatever you have at your end, you try to make good use of it. We also have spices that are very strong. An example like the star anise. So when you are adding them into your spice mix, you have to be careful. You put one or two of it. If not, if you add much of it, your spice mix will just be like it's made up of only the star anise. So there's no one way in making spice mix. Whatever you have, you can mix them together to make your homemade spice. I have sieved it, and this is what I had. I'll put it into my container and store it for use anytime I want. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.